In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Instagram password if it's saved on your device. First, a quick reality check. Instagram itself won't show your password inside the app for security reasons. That's normal and it's a good thing. The trick is to use the password your phone has already saved. If your device has remembered your Instagram login, you can view it through your phone's built-in password manager using the browser autofill prompt. Start by making sure your Instagram login can actually be saved for future use. Open the Instagram app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right. Go to Settings, then Account Center, and choose Password and Security. Find Saved Login, and make sure the toggle is on. This doesn't reveal your password yet, but it tells your phone it's allowed to remember your Instagram details the next time you sign in. If it was off before, your password may not be saved on this device yet, so keep that in mind. Now let's use the browser autofill method to view the saved password. On your iPhone or Android, open your web browser. Safari, Chrome, or another modern browser is fine. Go to Instagram.com and tap Login. Tap into the password field. Right here, your phone should offer to autofill your saved Instagram password. On iPhone, that suggestion comes from Keychain. On Android, it typically comes from Google Password Manager. When you see the saved login appear, select it. You'll see an option to show the password. Tap Show to reveal it. For security, your device may ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone passcode before displaying it. That's expected and helps keep your account safe. Once the password is visible, you can copy it if you need to, paste it into the Instagram app, or sign in on another device. If you do copy it, be mindful that it's briefly stored on your clipboard, so avoid sharing your screen or pasting it anywhere you don't trust. When you're done, consider clearing the field or navigating away. If you don't get an autofill suggestion, it usually means your Instagram password wasn't saved on this device or you used a different account previously. In that case, sign in once, making sure the saved login option is on and your device can remember it for next time. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.